I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting direct access to the TP-Link interface. Connect your PC by cable or the existing Wi-Fi so settings don't drop during changes, then open a browser and enter the router IP. Log in with admin credentials. If you don't know them, check the label on the router or use defaults. Once logged in, navigate to the wireless settings area. This is where you'll switch bands and SSIDs. Make sure firmware is current before making major changes. You now change the band configuration. In the wireless settings, locate the 5 GHz section. If it's disabled, enable it. Choose an operating channel and channel width. 40 or 80 MHz gives faster throughput but may increase interference. Name the 5 GHz network with a distinct SSID so devices can choose it, and apply WPA2 or WPA3 security with a strong passphrase. Save settings and allow the router to reboot if prompted. This applies the new 5 GHz network. You finish by connecting devices to the new 5 GHz network. On each device, select the 5 GHz SSID and enter the password. Make sure the device supports 5 GHz. If devices don't see the network, move closer to the router and verify the selected channel isn't blocked by regional settings. Update firmware and recheck settings. If problems persist, reboot or factory reset the router. Then reconfigure. One key troubleshooting tip. Inspect client compatibility and distance before changing router parameters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.